Let me tell y'all something. I had to put in work to get this look, but I have to say it was worth it. You peep that scalp action going on here? Okay, Outre. No, actually, okay, Angelique, because I did this myself.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fear, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancies, but alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
My eyes wide open, you're so close. You try to lie inside, it shows. Ain't got no pride, you're denying it though. You hide behind the wall of your foes. All of your clothes and all of your hoes. They play their role, they're selling their soul. They pay their toll as they get in control. Getting exposed and letting it show. Setting up failure, watching it grow. I know I can see your eyes closed, cause my eyes be wide open and now everyone knows. Picking up the pieces, releases the piece that you've been told. Holding on to breathe, you proceed to believe you're free, suppose. I can hear the weeds that you're sneaking and seeking to dispose. I smell it inside of your clothes, repelling the scent from my nose. Your friends are foes and you ain't living in reality. No originality, where's your personality? You're a whole disparity, a joke from the hilarity. My eyes wide open, you're so close. You try to lie inside, it shows. Ain't got no pride, you're denying it though. You hide behind the wall of your foes. All of your clothes and all of your hoes. What does it even matter? These friends, they come and go. Your life is a disaster. You reap it what you sow. You master sell with laughter. Get you a tissue roll. I see you digging holes. Been burning bridges so. Been turning vicious. The decisions got you wishing no. Switching positions and fixing to live a victim so. You've been conditioned to listen and keep your pupils closed. Missing prescriptions of visions you just been letting go. Stepping in place, setting your pace. Heading to face reality. Repping disgrace, prepping the face. Shedding congeniality. What does it take? Every mistake. Living to sleep, laying awake. Hitting the sheets, dying to break. Living serene, lost in a dream. My eyes wide open, you're so close. You try to lie inside, it shows. Ain't got no pride, you're denying it though. You hide behind the wall of your foes. All of your clothes and all of your hoes.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Update Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday sleeves, wig updates, giveaways, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is yet another new one from the Outre Perfect Hairline collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Jaylani and the color number 1B. So you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps and an elastic band. It does come pre-plucked with 13x6 parting space, and it also does have HD lace just in the front as well as that fake scalp. So if you can notice, like, this scalp was looking pretty good, but like, girl, it did not come like this. So I actually went in and cut out the fake scalp, and I'll do a side-by-side comparison so you guys can see how it was looking before I cut it out, because I was not feeling that at all. But I do feel like if you want this unit to look as natural as possible, I definitely would recommend going in and cutting out that fake scalp. Honestly, it wasn't too much work. This was my first time cutting out a fake scalp, and honestly it took about 15 minutes, so it definitely wasn't too time consuming. And I definitely feel like it is worth taking that extra step if you want it to look as natural as possible, because honey, it was not looking like this initially, and I feel like this unit was just too cute for me to leave that fake scalp situation in there and have it looking a hot mess. So anyways, so the length on this unit, as you can see, it's coming just above my boobs. The density on it, if I had to guess, I want to say it's about 130%, but it's definitely not on the thinner side. It's like more on the fuller side of 130%. The texture of it is like a relaxed Yaki, and I am absolutely all here for it. It is feeling pretty lovely. I did get some shedding with it, but I do feel like a lot of that was because when I cut the fake scalp out, it did have some of the hair attached to it. It wasn't a lot of shedding, but it definitely was some shedding. So the cap size on this unit is definitely small, medium, and big head friendly. Initially, I was wearing it with my wig grip band, but I feel like you could see it ridiculously through this cap, so I took the wig grip band off and I'm just wearing it with a brown stocking cap. And I do have a lot of room in here, so if you do have a larger size head, this one will definitely be good for you. But if you do also have a small to medium size head, it may be a little bit big on you. I did adjust the straps all the way, and it's not feeling like I'm swimming in it, so I do feel like you can get away with wearing it if you do have a small, medium, or big size head. So let me just give you a 360 and show you what this unit is looking like all around, girl. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. Honestly, my only con is the fake scalp situation. I feel like that's not a super big con though, just because like I said, I went in and cut it out and I feel like it is looking great. So that is my only con. And I do feel like if you don't cut it out, you may be dealing with issues of white scalp or just packing on a lot of concealer to try to make it look more realistic. So my pros on this unit is the texture. Yes, I love this relaxed Yaki texture. I love like this layered situation going on. It's like long layers, but I just really love the cut of it. I love the density, the fact that it's natural but it's a good amount of hair. I'm somebody who does like bigger hair, and I feel like this is like a perfect amount of hair. It's definitely reminding me of the Sensational Kiara unit, but better and less hair. So I feel like if you do like the Sensational Kiara unit, you'll definitely like this one. I love the fact that it's 13x6 parting space, so it's versatile. The fact that it comes pre-plucked, the fact that it comes with baby hairs, and I didn't have to cut the baby hairs or anything. I just swooped them to my liking. So like, yes, I am all here for that. I'm gonna give you a 9 out of 10. But you can't make it a 10 out of 10 if you're going to cut that scalp out, girl, because look. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any units you want me to pick up in any colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.